Alright, so here I am. I just opened up my Lenovo SL410. I just got it in the mail and UPS. It just showed up a few minutes ago. And yeah, I just sliced it open, so decided I'd record and share. I've seen this similarly done on YouTube before, and thought it'd be kind of cool. So yeah, see, you guys get first a box, comes with, you know, power cord, battery, and such. Assuming documentation, yeah, all that fun stuff. Not very much there. Very, very thin book. And here's the actual laptop. Yeah, it says here, reusable plastic, I guess. So let's take a look. Really excited for the 410. This is my first Lenovo, and I've been waiting to get one eventually someday, and the price was right recently, so I decided I would. Wow. Quite impressed. It's got a sticker on here saying I can save 20% on my next purchase. I don't know if that'll be anytime soon. But yeah, I guess I like the color. It's nice. One of the reasons I ordered the SL410 was it comes in matte black, the traditional matte black. Now I'm looking at it here. It's not quite as matte black as the old-fashioned ones from, 4 years ago or so, the old Thinkpads, but it is a matte black finish. Like, if I put my hand on it, it's a cool metal, that it leaves a fingerprint mark for a second, but as soon as it warms back up, it goes away again. So yeah, I guess I'll take a look at it here, and not sure if there's any opening procedures. No. There we are. I'll show you. So there's the laptop. Now I'm going to make another video later once I actually try this thing out, and you can take a look at it. But here it is. So here I'll I guess get a little bit of a better view. It's got a trackpad here, which has a really cool textured finish. It's not smooth. Your usual little track point, little knob they have there. Yeah, one thing I guess I like about that, one of the things I thought was attractive with the 410, besides the matte black thing, was, I guess, it's nice and small, which is a bonus. I'm upgrading from a Inspiron 6000 right now, so this is nice. Yeah, it comes with Windows 7. You can see here on the side here, it's got a wireless connectivity, battery, caps lock. On the side you've got your media buttons and such. Kind of hard to see there. And yeah, it comes with Windows 7. It's got a glossy finished screen. That was the only option on the 410. But yeah, I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. I mean, the 410's relatively new. They had the 400 series before, and yeah, it was nice to actually, get this and be happy with it, because I wasn't sure. So, alright, there it is. I guess, what else should I show you here too? I guess I'll just pull out, here's the charger cable, which is, like, unbelievably small. I don't think I've ever seen such a small power thing. And the battery is also battery. Now, I got the I think it's 6 volt, I think, or sorry, the 6 cell. Doesn't seem to say it on here, but pretty sure I got the 6 cell battery. You can also get it in the 9 as well, which is, I think it might stick out of the back a bit. You can see where the actual battery port is on the back there. Anyways, that's all for now. I'll post another one once I get it up and running.